Yeah, man, the Prime Minister of Jamaica compare the People's National Party supporters and the hierarchy as dog. A dog who they run off a bicycle or they bark off a driving car. And when you come out, the dog just stand up the look on you so and can't do nothing.
Watch me now. The history of the PNP and power would be analogous to you ever ride your bicycle or you drive a car and you see a dog just run out of the yard and run after the car. And when the car stop, the dog just stop and look on it. The history of the PNP and power, their power-seeking behavior, is like a dog chasing a car, and when they catch the car, they don't know what to do with it.
But when we go back to the history and show Andrew Holness said this, what you do and call the people them dog, you just commit another political suicide because this will put you in a retirement for good. Because when you look on the Prime Minister, who have no decency or integrity, the man have no strong moral principle to describe or use a word like this against the people of Jamaica. And that's why you rub your wrong, you know. I don't really what I'm saying, no. But who say it? Andrew Holness not have no decency. Andrew Holness not have no integrity. Andrew Holness not have no strong moral principle. In other words, Andrew Holness is a criminal. And that's the thing there, you know. The person who say it, no integrity, no decency, no moral principle. The man is a blatant criminal who keep on ripping off taxpayers of Jamaica. And then they go turn around and they call with dog. And that's the thing there, you know. I know how him say it, but who say it? No shame say it. No decency say it. No integrity say it. No principle. No moral uprightness. Him say it. The man who sit down and make Grace McLean thief 124 million from the education system and not say nothing. The man who introduced Rural Read and bring him in at the education ministry 2007. Rural Read come and thief how much million and him not say nothing.